Today we're taking a look at the Peak Design Micro Clutch, a compact, minimal hand strap designed for creators who prefer a lightweight setup without the bulk of a traditional neck strap. If you like shooting handheld and want extra security, this little accessory makes a big difference. The micro clutch mounts using a small base plate that attaches to your camera, and once it's on, the strap tightens around your hand for a stable, confident grip. No bouncing strap, no swinging gear, just a clean, low-profile way to carry your camera while keeping it instantly ready to shoot. It's especially useful for street photography, travel, everyday walk-around shooting, or quick content creation where you want your camera accessible but don't want anything hanging off your neck or shoulder. Despite how small it is, it adds real peace of mind against accidental slips. So who should pick this up? Minimal shooters, travel creators, vloggers, and anyone who prefers a clean, secure handheld setup. Why buy it? Because it's lightweight, secure, easy to install, and makes handheld shooting feel more stable without adding weight or bulk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gear videos.